Relationships, while a necessary part of our lives, continue to be a source of vulnerability for many Jamaican women throughout their entire lifetime. Intimate partner violence, IPV, a form of gender-based violence, diminishes social, economic, psychological, and emotional well-being of women, their offspring, and future generations. Understanding intimate partner violence is multifaceted, and so its elimination has to be coordinated and collaborative. We now know from the results of the Women's Health Survey that 1 in every 4 women in Jamaica has been slapped, beaten with fist, pushed, kicked, attacked with a weapon, or threatened with a weapon by her male partner. We know that 1/4 of women in Jamaica have been sexually abused by men who are not their intimate partners. We know that the majority of men who sexually abuse women were friends or acquaintances. We also know that 1 out of every 5 women reported being sexually abused before reaching 18 years old, and the person who did it was a family member or a friend. Those findings and the numerous reports of heartless, callous, horrific, and brutal attacks against women over the last year should concern each of us to do something about it. There is simply no excuse for inaction. The UNFPA Caribbean Sub-Regional Office has designed and developed an online interactive platform to assist with Jamaica's efforts to reduce and prevent gender-based violence in all forms. As the national machinery for gender, the Bureau of Gender Affairs will host, manage, and maintain this platform. The Bureau will utilize the online platform to promote community engagement and ownership, to raise awareness of gender-based violence as violence and a form of discrimination, and to provide a safe and secure space that allows victims and survivors to share their experiences and find support for persons with similar cases. We will also use the platform to provide basic information on clinical and health service providers. It is my distinct honor to now officially launch the first public education campaign for the National Strategic Action Plan to eliminate gender-based violence. No excuse for abuse. #NEFA. #NEFA will be placed on all collateral materials and mentioned in news releases and features. Varying messages will be used to relay different thematic messages and target groups supported through the findings of the Women's Health Survey 2017. NEFA is not just another campaign to sensitize people about the horrific effects of violence against women. This campaign is guided by gender and behavioral change communication and aims to destroy the conditions that condone, that enable, that ignore and treat violence against women as a normal part of life. Therefore, NEFA is expected to achieve the following outcomes: increase public awareness on what is gender-based violence, increase public awareness on gender-based violence in Jamaica with the view to preventing it, increased understanding of the roles of government and civil society in response to gender-based violence. The campaign will be targeted to the following publics: women ages 15 to 35 and men ages 15 to 40. Perpetrators of abuse of violence, survivors of violence, persons experiencing violence, persons witnessing or aware of violence. We're targeting everybody. We're going into the nook and crannies of Jamaica with our campaign.